Hello, everyone, and welcome to How to Make Money with the IC. You can make money with the IC, it's brilliant, it's amazing, and I'm going to show you how. Basically, you have your own link to the sales of the IC, yeah, of the course. And if someone buys the subscription through your link, you will get 30% of each payment they make. So if they subscribe for 6 months, you will get 30% of every time they pay for 6 months. So it's very nice and you can make lots of money with the IC with it. If you refer 10 people, you'll be rich. You'll get 30% of the course, 30% of their payments, 10 times for 10 people. Wow. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. Yeah. So here we go. We're in the IC English, right? You got to go to your course. Let's say you're intermediate, for example. Of course, you go to the one you are, yeah, intermediate, beginner, elementary, etc. You're already here on this video, affiliate, how to earn money with the IC over here. There we go. Now, you have to click on the link here at the bottom of this video, okay? At the bottom of this video, there is a link which you can see over here. I need to press this link over here. Click to become an affiliate. After you click on the link, you'll get on this page. And on this page, all you have to do is you have to log in. Maybe it'll ask you to put your details, or maybe put some details. And then there will be the button that says press to affiliate. But you press this button, and after you press this button, you will be an affiliate. After the affiliate, yeah, what can you do? How can you find your link? What I want to say is you only need to affiliate yourself to one course. And then with this one course, you need to share your link to the sales page. Okay? The sales page is our website where you can find all the links and all the information about the course. Anyone who buys any product from the website, you will get your 30% commission. Whether it's beginner, elementary, or intermediate, it doesn't matter what product they buy. Any product that they buy, you will get your commission, your 30%. After you affiliate, all you need to do is you need to go back here. You can see in the top left there we have the settings over here. Go back to the top left, you press settings, and in the settings, you will find this page over here. When you're in this page, you need to go on this thing in the top right, and you need to go to products. It will be in your language course and in English. You need to go to products. Yeah. And here I'm a creator, and you need to go to I'm an affiliate over here. Okay. And here you will find the course of the IC that you affiliated yourself to. So press here, click on the links, and you will arrive over here, promotional links, and all you need to do is promote the sales page, yeah? The product page will go straight to the checkout for them to pay without the information if you would like it, you know. But the most common that you would use would be the sales page, which is the page for the website, yeah? So all you're going to do is copy this link. Your link will have this go.hotmart.com and your special code over here, yeah? All you're going to do is first copy the link, and then you share your link on your social media, on your Instagram, on your profile, and that's all you need to do. Copy link over here, and when this link should take you to this page over here, yeah? Let's put it in English. It should take you to this page over here. Your link. You can check yourself to see if it works, but your link should be go.hotmart.com/ and then your code. And when you press on it, it should take you to this link over here. And then it's all magic, computer magic with cookies and all these things. And what happens, it will save your link on the person's device. And then any product they buy from me, yeah, any of my products, which is, I have 3 products, I guess, right? The A1, beginner, elementary, and the intermediate, yeah? And any product they buy, if they buy 1, 2, or 3, you will get your commission, you'll get your 30%. Put it in. If you want to check, if you want to double check it works, but it works, trust me, it works 100%. If you want to double check, you'll go here, and you'll see the button, you'll say ref. Oh yeah, for reference. If you press reference, yeah, there will be your code of affiliation. Okay, if you want to double check that it works, if you don't believe me, if you go here, yeah, you go secure my spot over here. Let's go to Portuguese, for example, and you go to reference. There will be your link of affiliation. Yeah, if they buy the link, if they buy IC English, you will get commission because it will remember your link for the next 180 days. And you can see here, I click on the checkout and there is the link of affiliation for, what is it? This for intermediate. Yeah. Over here, there is, of course, the link of affiliation for the beginner if you want to double check. But trust me, it works. Yeah. And that's all you got to do to get money from the IC. So please share. All you need to do is share the sales page, yeah, which is the website. And then if they buy any product, the beginner, the elementary, or the intermediate, you will get your 30% commission every single time they pay for the feature. And what happens as well is the computer or the device remembers. So even if the person clicks on your link and they don't buy straight away, maybe they will buy the week after. The device remembers, yeah, it remembers, and you will still get your commission even if the person buys 1 week or 1 month or 6 months later. You'll still get your commission because the device, the phone or the computer, remembers that they click on your link. So even if they buy it 2 months after they clicked on your link, you'll still get the commission. It's quite cool. So please share the IC with everyone you know on your social media, with your friends, with your family. And if they buy through your link, you'll get 30% commission every time they pay. I think it's brilliant. And if you want, you can get not only learn English with IC, but you can get rich with the IC by sharing your link. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next lesson.